Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of makeup dupes, affordable alternatives for high-end products. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll unveil the art of finding budget-friendly gems that rival their luxury counterparts, allowing you to achieve stunning looks without straining your wallet. The beauty industry is a captivating realm of possibilities, offering a plethora of high-end products that promise premium quality. But what if you could achieve the same glamorous results without the premium price tag? That's where makeup dupes come in, a smart strategy that empowers you to create fabulous looks on a budget. Throughout this tutorial, we'll demystify the concept of makeup dupes and guide you through the process of identifying and utilizing these affordable alternatives to achieve a range of captivating makeup looks. We'll embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the science behind dupes, and uncovering the secrets to finding products with striking similarities in texture, finish, and performance. Our exploration will span across various makeup categories, from foundation to eyeshadows, lipsticks, and more. By delving into the world of dupes, you'll learn how to choose alternatives that not only mimic the luxury products you admire but also deliver exceptional results that leave you feeling confident and radiant. Get ready to become a dupe detective as we reveal insider tips on deciphering product labels, ingredient lists, and packaging details. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be equipped to confidently navigate the beauty aisle and select the perfect dupes for your collection. We'll delve into application techniques that make the most of your dupes, showcasing blending methods, layering tricks, and even how to combine both high-end and affordable products seamlessly. The aim is to empower you to curate a makeup routine that suits your preferences, style, and budget, all while embracing the excitement of experimentation and creativity. Join us on this exploration of makeup dupes, affordable alternatives for high-end products, and prepare to unlock a world of beauty that's both accessible and captivating. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast, a trendsetter, or simply someone who appreciates value without compromise, this tutorial is your guide to achieving stunning makeup looks that reflect your unique style, preferences, and budget.